O'Leary's Top Picks this year offers a targeted look into some of the most promising side hustles for the year. Business mogul Kevin O'Leary selected these, and this video spans a variety of opportunities. These include the digital ease of e-commerce dropshipping. There's also the creative potential of content creation on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. It also includes the educational impact of online tutoring. It offers the flexible independence of freelancing in skills like graphic design and programming. Investing in dividend-paying stocks and the last strategic income generation options is one that may surprise you. 1. E-commerce dropshipping. Online retail continues to expand. In this universe, e-commerce dropshipping has carved out a significant niche. It is for aspiring entrepreneurs. This model's appeal lies in its low overhead costs and ease of entry. These features make it accessible to a wide audience. O'Leary points to the exponential growth of online shopping as a trend that is not slowing down. He advocates for dropshipping as a viable and lucrative option for those looking to enter the e-commerce space. According to O'Leary, success in dropshipping requires a keen eye for market trends. Also, it requires a solid understanding of digital marketing strategies. Additionally, it requires the ability to identify and capitalize on niche markets. By leveraging social media and online advertising, individuals can build a dropshipping business. This business can generate income and has the potential for significant growth. 2. Digital content creation. The digital age has ushered in an era where content is king. Digital content creation spans platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. It presents unparalleled opportunities for creators to monetize their passions. O'Leary emphasizes the importance of authenticity, consistency, and engagement. He notes that the digital platform ecosystem rewards those who can connect with their audience on a personal level. They should offer unique insights or entertainment. Creators can leverage various revenue streams like advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. They can turn their side hustle into a primary income source with dedication and strategic planning. 3. Online tutoring and courses. The thirst for knowledge in the digital age is insatiable, and the demand for online education has skyrocketed. O'Leary sees this as a golden opportunity. Experts across fields can share their knowledge and skills through online tutoring and courses. This side hustle offers the potential for significant income. It also provides a platform for professionals to establish themselves as thought leaders in their respective domains. Individuals can reach a global audience eager to learn. They can do this by creating engaging, high-quality content and using platforms like Udemy and Coursera. They can scale their impact and make money while doing it. 4. Freelancing in high-demand skills. The gig economy has revolutionized the way we think about work. Freelancing has emerged as a cornerstone of this new landscape. O'Leary highlights freelancing in high-demand skills. These include graphic design, writing, programming, and digital marketing. He views it as a particularly attractive side hustle option. This path offers flexibility. Individuals can work on their terms. It also offers scalability. Freelancers can increase their rates and workload as they build their reputation. O'Leary advises aspiring freelancers to focus on building a robust portfolio. He also recommends leveraging freelancing platforms to connect with potential clients. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying relevant in the rapidly evolving freelance market. 5. Investment in dividend-paying stocks. O'Leary includes investing in dividend-paying stocks as a side hustle. This might seem unconventional, but it underscores his belief in the power of passive income. This strategy involves selecting stable companies with consistent dividend payouts. It offers a way to generate income without active management, unlike other side hustles. O'Leary sees this investment approach as a means to build wealth over time. It complements active side hustles and provides financial security. He emphasizes the importance of financial literacy and savvy investment choices. This will maximize the benefits of this side hustle. 6. Network marketing. Network marketing presents an intriguing side hustle opportunity. It capitalizes on personal networks and salesmanship. This business model involves selling products directly to consumers and recruiting new distributors. Earnings come from personal sales and a percentage of the sales made by the recruited team. O'Leary acknowledges the potential of network marketing. It's for individuals who excel in communication, networking, and leadership. He highlights it as a viable path to entrepreneurial success with minimal upfront investment. According to O'Leary, the key to thriving in network marketing lies in choosing a reputable company. It should have high-quality products that one is passionate about. This passion is crucial as it translates into genuine recommendations and sales pitches. This fosters trust and credibility within one's network. He stresses the importance of personal branding and the use of social media as tools to expand reach beyond immediate circles. It allows for the creation of a broad and diversified customer base. O'Leary also points out the significance of training and mentorship within the network marketing model. He advises individuals to seek out companies that offer comprehensive support. This support includes product knowledge, sales strategies, and business development. This educational aspect enhances the chances of success. It also contributes to personal and professional growth. Network marketing offers a unique combination of entrepreneurship, direct sales, and team building. It requires a blend of interpersonal skills, marketing acumen, and the ability to inspire and motivate others. Some people find network marketing to be a rewarding side hustle. It provides financial benefits and fosters personal development and a sense of community. However, it requires diligence, integrity, and a long-term perspective. This way you can create value for yourself and your network, strategy, and mindset for success. Kevin O'Leary's top side hustles help lead towards financial freedom. They focus on adaptability and strategic growth in the gig economy. O'Leary emphasizes a mindset of continuous learning and resilience. His approach goes further than just income generation. He advocates for a holistic view of side hustles as keys to long-term prosperity and fulfillment. He highlights the importance of financial literacy and smart investments. O'Leary frames side hustles as essential elements of a broader financial strategy. Ultimately, O'Leary presents a vision. He believes that side hustles not only boost income, but also offer personal satisfaction. They also offer a chance to shape a prosperous financial future.